It appears I'm not going anywhere soon. It is pouring. I've had to get maybe a few inches of rain. It's ridiculous. I don't know what's going to be flooded, but I'm in no rush to get out. So I think we're just going to go back to sleep and at least enjoy the sound of the rain. But yeah, it's only 7 o'clock, and it was like biblical level rain going on out here. It looks like it's just a cloud going through. I'm hoping in the next hour it'll be clear, and we'll pack up, go from there. I'm thinking of going towards Oberlin. There's a McDonald's right on the trail. I could get breakfast. And I want to explore the town of Oberlin, and then we might head up towards the lake. Check out the bordering towns out there. But yeah, this turned out to be incredibly convenient. On my way to Oberlin, just getting into town. It's a nice little college town. We're gonna explore it today because the trail just skips right through it. Gonna try to get some breakfast at McDonald's. Hopefully they're serving breakfast. If not, you might see a reenactment of falling down if I don't get my breakfast. Stay tuned. Could be fun or exciting. Time for second breakfast.
Back out in the country, just weaving and inventing a way to get up to Vermilion. The misty rain has started again. The moment I took off my raincoat and everything, not even 5 minutes later, the rain came back. That's how it works. Yeah, the water is flowing down here, but this hill is steep. I think I'm just gonna walk my bike up it. Save me a little grief. Okay, this hill just keeps going. Hike a bike. I mean, I could have climbed that, but seriously, why expend that much energy when you have an all-day ride? You just got to conserve and be a little smart on what you do and don't do. We are at the shores of Lake Erie. We finally made it to the lake in Vermilion. And I think I'm going to follow the road that kind of runs parallel to the shoreline west, which is Huron, and just kind of explore the little towns that run against the shores of the Lake Erie. The sun came out for like 1 minute. Just that little glimmer, but we're just gonna keep rolling. It's gonna rain later, but you know, that's what it is. That's bike touring. There, the sun is out and it's warming up. So Route 6 is kind of a mishmash of, like, you get a little glimpse of scenic Lake Erie, and getting closer to Huron. Then we're going to start turning inland. I have a friend who offering to host me for the evening, if I can make it that far. There's some serious waves out there colliding with the huge current of this outlet from the flooding of this huge lake. That's got to be like 6-foot waves out there. It would be cool to get out there, but it's all swampy. Huron's a nice little town. They have lots of dedicated bike lanes. And you can kind of tell they just put them in. Let me ask you a question. If you plan to fully go out and stealth camp or camp for free, and you end up finding shelters or other places that are free, are you considered cheating or are you smart? Now, before you answer that question, keep in mind, I'm still hauling my tent and all of my crap with me. I'm 140 miles into this trip, and I probably got another 70 plus miles to get home. Let me know in the comments. Smart, cheater, or you just don't care? Check out this giant growing facility to the right of me. What are they growing in there? What was legalized in the state of Ohio a couple years ago? Think about that. Welcome to Cromer Auto. Look at the moo cows out here. I think the ones on the other side of this creek are trapped because of the flood. All right, made it to Castalia or Castalia. I'm gonna post up here at my friends and we're gonna pick up tomorrow and see how I feel and go from there. God, I love downhill at the last mile. All right, parked for the night right before the rain came in. I will see you in the morning, day 3.